Hi, I'm Darren Smith, Norbain's Configuration Centre Manager. If you're a security installer struggling with fluctuating workloads, problems with skills gaps, or just not enough time to get to site to do the job, we're here to explain to you how the pre-configuration service that Norbain provide can help you out and hopefully make the job on site run a lot smoother for you. When you take advantage of our pre-configuration service, you'll be able to cut out any DOA or confliction issues. We'll deal direct with the supplier on any issues. You'll be able to install the equipment, run the cable and switch the kit on, meaning you'll spend less time on site, you'll reduce your need for site revisits, all in all making it a cleaner, quicker job and enhancing your professional image on site. And as you'd expect from Norbain, we provide a quality service at a reasonable price. Once we've agreed what needs doing, we get to work. The different parts of the IP system arrive and everything is put together to mimic exactly how it will be set up once it gets to site. We make sure we use exactly what you have specified, including the accessories, so there are no surprises on the day. Often a job will require a combination of brands, maybe cameras from one manufacturer with servers from another, or even a specialised high-spec piece of equipment for a particular application. We ensure any video management software is set up to display the cameras and we place them on the network exactly as requested. Once we're happy that everything's been configured and fully tested, everything is labelled up. The cameras, MVRs, switches, servers, everything, with the precise details of where each one is to be installed, with what they are called on the VMS and so on. Also, we provide detailed schedules and full information sheets so that your project manager or any subsequent service or maintenance engineer have all the information they need. So if you want to spend less time on site and enhance your company's professional image, speak to your Norbain Account Manager today.